for the 2. um, this will 2 over here, yeah. Now if you see, is it balanced? Yeah, it's balanced. So if you see, this is actually so what I've done is I have broken all these compounds into their individual bonds, right? So what we do is so we can calculate this will be delta H naught R. This will be delta H naught R, right? So we can calculate the enthalpy change of reaction by subtracting by summing the all the bond energies of the reactants, and from that we will subtract all the bond energies of the products. So basically delta H naught R will be equal to 4 into CH, because the CH bond, there are 4 CH bonds, so 4 into the bond energies of CH plus 2 into the bond energy of this, 2 times this bond energy, minus, so actually I've made an extra bracket, let me just remove this extra bracket, minus, so these are the total bond energies of the reactants. Now we'll add now we'll subtract from this the total bond energies of the products. This will be 2 multiplied by the bond energy of CO, because there are two bonds, so 2 multiplied by that, plus 4 multiplied by the OH bond energy, because if you see in one molecule there are 2 OH bonds, so in 2 molecules there will be 4 OH bonds. So when I calculate this, I get when I look at my data booklet, I'll get these values. So I'll get delta H naught R. It's very easy. So now let's do some questions on bond energies. So molecules of N2O can be formed by the reaction between N2 and O2. The bond between the N and O atoms, which is this bond, is a coordinate bond. So you know that from my last playlist on chemical bonding, you know this is how coordinate bonds are represented by an arrow. So the NO coordinate bond. The enthalpy change of reaction for this reaction is plus 82 kilojoules per mole. Okay. Calculate the bond enthalpy in kilojoule per mole of the NO bond. Use relevant data from the data booklet to answer this question. So first let's expand all these bonds. This is 2 times N plus this, giving us, they've already made this expanded for us, so we do not need to do anything further. We'll just write the same thing, right? So the delta H naught R for this reaction is equal to 2 times the N triple N bond plus the OO bond minus 2 times the N triple N bond, because we have the N triple N bond over here, plus 2 times the O bond. So we have to do 2 times in each case, because we have 2 moles, right? 2 moles of this, so we have to do 2 times. So what we have to so we have some value, so this is equal to plus 82. Now from the data booklet I can look at the other values. So for N triple N in the data booklet I have 944, so this will be 2 into 944, plus for OO I have 496. Just a second. Minus 2 into again 944 plus 2 into N. Oh, yeah. Now what we get is basically, let me take out my calculator. So 2 into 944 plus